Naghahanap po ba kayo ng bar tape para sa inyong handlebar? Tamang-tama po itong video para sa inyo. Ito po yung ilan sa maraming klase ng bar tape na available dito sa Go Pedal PH Bike Shop. Pero bago po yon, ano po ba yung mga benepisyo ng bar tape? Bar tape is also known as handlebar tape. It provides numerous benefits for cyclists. Enhances grip and control, especially when hands are sweaty or during strenuous efforts. Improve comfort, reducing fatigue and numbness, particularly on long rides. Protection. Bar tape protects the handlebars from the wear and tear, extending their lifespan. Style and customization. Choosing the right bar tape can enhance the overall aesthetics of the bike and the rider's personal style. Shock absorption to further minimize the impact of the road vibrations on the hands. One of the premium material bar tape is the Cyclovation with hollow touch, PU with organic gel padded. PU is known for its flexibility, durability, and water resistant. One that delivers best hand feel, we have the Super Sticky Cush with long-lasting PU tape with star plugs and high-end rubberized finishing tape. Looking for 120-gram weight with thickness of 2.5 mm, we have the Cell San Marco. If you are available, please feel free to visit Go Pedal PH Bike Shop. Opens every day hanggang 9 PM. Dito lang po sila sa Arcovia, Pasig.